Hey everyone, I'm Cruose and I'm here to show you how to get started with my Notion template, the Bookmark Manager Pro. This Notion template is perfect for students and researchers who want to manage their bookmarks when researching, or even for those who just want to organize their lives much better. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. Right off the bat, you would need to open the tutorial page as you can see right here. But before I discuss the contents right here, I first want to show you the features of the Bookmark Manager Pro. Unlike the basic version, the Pro contains folder types, such as playlists, shopping lists, and reading lists, which work like a folder and checklist at the same time. It also contains 129 plus additional folder icons to customize your Notion template better. So if you really want a more organized and efficient system, I suggest that you upgrade to the Pro template. Now, on the tutorial page, we can see many toggle-down bullet points that guide you in understanding and getting to know the Bookmark Manager template. However, we're not really going to cover this since I will be conducting a demo for today's video. Upon duplicating your template, the very first thing to do is to remove all the mockup content. First, go to the navigation menu and open the database page. Then, delete the mockup content by selecting all pages and pressing delete as you can see right here. You may also do the same to other databases. However, for this demo, I will not remove the categories section, but it's really up to you if you want to delete it. After deleting the mockup content, you may now start adding a new folder. For the Pro version, we have 4 folder types: collection, playlist, reading list, and shopping list. The collection folder can contain your links to websites, tools, and resources. The playlist comprises music or video links, while the reading list includes articles, news, social media, and any text-based web pages. Finally, the shopping list contains online shopping product links to better manage your shopping. Now, let's try to add a bookmark. Just click on the New Bookmark button and fill in the details. You can also add tags to each bookmark depending on your liking. To access your bookmark, you can open its parent folder and open the bookmark page. Here, you can access the bookmark link. Now, let me show you how to pin folders and bookmarks. To pin a folder, you can tick off the leftmost checkbox and it will show in the pin section. You can uncheck this to remove it. Additionally, you may also pin bookmarks as you can see here. On the other hand, you can also archive some folders by checking the rightmost checkbox. The folder will show on the archive page. Take note that this will also automatically archive your bookmarks. To remove it, you can just remove the checkbox in the archive page. I'll now show you how each folder works. Inside the collection folder, you can see all bookmark links, which you can access by opening the page and opening the link. For the reading list, you can check the status of each so you can track your next article for the reading list. Similarly, you can also check shopping bookmarks upon acquiring the product to track your spending. Finally, the playlist allows you to check the status of videos and music so that you don't forget the next link to watch. Next, this template also has a dedicated tags page which shows you all your self-made tags. This page allows you to better organize your bookmarks using tags. Finally, we also have a mobile page where you can access your bookmarks while on your mobile device. You can set this up by pinning one of your most important bookmarks and it will show up on this page. You can then put this page as a widget in your phone to access the same bookmark. That is all for this video. I hope you enjoy watching and have fun scrolling through your very new template. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, I'm Cruose and I'll see you in the next video.